You know, if you're one big family and we all understand what the goal is. We know what our sales targets are as a group. You know, we understand our growth that we're trying to achieve. We understand the high ratings on customer reviews that we're all trying to do. Everybody understands what we're shooting for, and they understand that what they're doing, their part contributes to that. And I just, to be able to walk around and know that everybody understands the whole story and not just their little part, it's pretty cool.
I think every employee here, we all take pride in what we do. So something that I can say is that every employee here is dedicated and taking the time to make sure that every order is correct. We pretend like that order is going to our house or our family members, and we want to make sure that everything is right and taken care of.
Oh, the team, everybody, good workers, family oriented. It's like a family outside of a family. When you need them, they're there. Everybody is willing to give a helping hand just to make sure everyone's happy. And
saying, how can I help you? A lot. I think it actually means helping people without even being asked or even asking them. I think that's what I would like to see. That kind of servant leadership kind of mindset or mentality, where it's helping other people first. And then in the end, it helps everybody win.
We were actually pretty small. We really, it was a family-owned company. Like we weren't to the size that we are now. I mean, it was great. I feel like everyone was approachable. I feel like I didn't really see our culture flourish until we have the team that we have now. I feel like when I came in, everyone, like, we got a fresh new team, like everyone.
Being at Sprinkler Warehouse, it's such a blessing to have people from different backgrounds and different cultures, and we come together to do one mission, and that's serve our customers. I think that's our specialty, that we all come from different backgrounds and have different perspectives to contribute.
This is something personal. I used to work in fast food, so I've had my fair share of, dealing with people a lot, and I'm like very reserved. But through this experience and my past, I really have been able to open up and make people feel welcome.
One of the things that was a surprise to me is when I asked somebody for help, how quickly they were willing to jump in and get me whatever I needed, whether it was finding a part or picking up something heavy or helping me build something. No matter what, everybody was always willing to pitch in and work for the common goal. Never get told no. When I need something, everybody's there to help, and it's great.
And, we're not this super giant tech company, with billions of dollars backing it. It's a really a homegrown type of website that's unique to itself and true to itself, I would say.
I started in the warehouse. I had just moved to Houston, and in about a day and a half, I found Sprinkler Warehouse was looking for employees for the warehouse. I had barely any warehouse experience when I first applied. I wasn't sure I was going to get the job, but luckily enough, Sprinkler Warehouse was desperate, and I was desperate, so we were both desperate for each other. I still love to come to work. The people here are some of the best people I've ever worked with. It's been a joy every day to wake up. I know it kind of sounds it kind of sounds fake to say it's a joy to wake up to go to work every day, but it is, because this job helped me buy a house. It helped me start a family. Before this job, I didn't know what I was gonna do.
What's even more amazing is the team that I'm surrounded by here at Sprinkler Warehouse Lighting Warehouse is like family, and accepted me from day one as somebody who they wanted to work with to see this vision built, and that's what's so emotional, and so it makes you very passionate about what you do.